Hey, this is Donovan with dreamsoft, and I'd like to show you the latest feature we put into the dreamsoft platform, our page Slideout. So the page Slideout will enable users to get information much quicker, and it will give them a much more intuitive way to navigate records and lists throughout the platform. So let's head over to an incident list. And the old way of navigating would be just to click on a blue link here, and then it would completely load the frame, and it would take you to that incident. That's pretty standard, but we knew we could do better. So what we decided to do was add this book icon to the left, which allows you to click on that and it will slide out the record itself while maintaining the list in the background. So if I need to get back to the list, I can simply click there, the record goes away, click on the book again, it comes back. The beautiful part about this is if I want to go deeper into related records, I can do that as well. So if I needed to call Ellie here because of something with this incident, I could click on Ellie's name. Now I have her record sliding out and I'm able to get her phone number. If I want to go back to my incident, I simply click on this page and now I'm right back in my incident. Same thing with configuration items. If someone calls saying, a device is not working, I can click on that configuration item, find the IP address, find the operating system, etc. If it's something where maybe I needed to log into that device, now I can click on the credential record here and view that. And now, if I want to make that credential or that password visible, I can access that with my password, which will then enable me to get that credential. It will also log the access down below. You'll see, and then I can go log into that box. And then if I need to skip back to the CI information or back to the incident record, maybe communicate here that I'm going to log in, I can do that. And then of course, all the way back to the incident. So we're excited about it. We think it's a great new way to navigate the platform. It will be out in our next release. If you have any questions, feel free to head over to our website, dreamsoft.com, or shoot us an email, info@dreamsoft.com. Thank you very much.